Have you been searching for a digital planner that has a page for every day of the year? Well, look no further. Blessing by Design offers a 539-page deluxe digital planner, which has monthly planning pages, weekly planning pages, and a page for every day of the year. This planner comes in 8 different color palette options that each has a unique cover design. Here is a quick peek at each cover. This is the Natural Deluxe Digital Planner. This is the Gold Deluxe Digital Planner. This is the Fresh Deluxe Digital Planner. This is the Citrus Deluxe Digital Planner. This is the Boho Deluxe Digital Planner. This is the Bright Deluxe Digital Planner. This is the Blackboard Deluxe Digital Planner. And this is our original My Deluxe Digital Planner. This planner has 13-month dashboard planning pages, 13-month overview pages, 57-week plan pages, and 396-day plan pages. Plus, we have 12 tabbed category sections and 14 pre-designed template pages. Those template pages can be duplicated as many times as you need to expand and customize this planner. This is our 4th year of selling this amazing planner, so keep watching to see all of its amazing features. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm showing you our 2023 Deluxe Digital Planners. Our Deluxe Digital Planner is a high-quality interactive PDF that is full of page linking tabs that you navigate quickly to any location in the planner. The digital planner must be used with an application for annotating PDFs. In this video, I'm demonstrating the planner on an iPad Pro, annotating with the Apple Pencil, and using the GoodNotes app that's available in the Apple Store. This is our My Deluxe Digital Planner that has a marble cover design and a professional color palette of black, white, red, and teal. Our deluxe planners have a simple design with quick access to months here on the left side. For example, when I tap on the February tab, I see the February landing page. All of the month landing pages have striking images with a large verse. The tabs on the right-hand side will take you to various places in your planner. This first tab, when tapped, will take you back to the front cover of your planner. Now I'm showing you our Blackboard Deluxe Planner. This next tab after the cover tab is the Year Calendar tab. This page gives you access to any month dashboards by tapping the dash box. Here's the June dashboard. These dashboard pages are a place to jot down a summary of your plans for the month. If I go back to the year calendar, I can tap the month name for May, and I'll jump to the month grid overview. On this page, I can label larger special events by using the tools in my app. If I go back to the year calendar again, I can show you that if I tap on any date, I go to that week for that month. So I tapped on the second week of June, so I'm on the second week of June. And I will tap and go back to the cover. Now I'm showing you the Boho Deluxe Digital Planner. So let's go back to that second week of June. From a week page, I can tap on any circled date and go to that day's page. I tap on 5 and I jump to June 5th's page. Notice that I can still jump between weeks using these week tabs on the left-hand side. And the color changes depending on which week I'm on. At any time, I can always tap the month name, and I'm going back to the month overview. Or there's a link at the top back to month dashboard pages on every single page. Now, if I go back to the June 5th page, I'll show you a great feature of these day pages. These top circles have the week's dates and are also linked and change color to quickly indicate what day you're on. So here, I'm on day 5 and it's the lighter tan color, while all the other ones are darker gray. But now if I jump to the 9th, it highlights that I'm on the 9th, as well as saying the date right here. Now back to the cover. Now I'm on the Gold Deluxe Planner, and I'm going to head back to our June 9th page. But you can see the new color palette for this planner. I'm going to jump back to the year calendar and go to the July dashboard. Jumping around is great, but you can also swipe pages. And we have navigations here at the top to let you know that when I swipe, what the next page will be. On any month overview, I can tap on the circled date. For example, I can tap on July 10th, and I'll go to that day page. And I can tap the month name and be back on the month overview grid. This planner has 539 pages, but with the digital planner, it's so easy and fast to get anywhere that I need to get in my planner. Now I'm showing you the Fresh Deluxe Digital Planner. This version is full of bright, fresh colors, and it's got fun bubble graphics on the cover. Now we're going to dive into these category tabs on the middle right side of the page. When I tap on any of these tabs, I'll be on that section's landing page. Think of these tabs like you would dividers in a paper planner. There are 11 of these category tabs. And the last one here, the black plus, is a bonus blank section that you can label with your own category. Maybe for work or for a certain hobby you have. This planner also comes with 14 pre-designed templates that are stored right after each category tab. So here again is the track landing page. So now I'm on the Citrus Deluxe Planner, which has a palette of bright summery oranges and yellows. So it's the same landing page, but you can see how the palette has changed slightly. This track landing page has 3 links to pre-designed templates. So I could tap on any of those to jump right to the template, or because the templates are stored right after these landing pages, I can just swipe left and I'll see the habit tracker template. Swipe left again to find the medical info template. And the third template is the contact template, which is for tracking groups of people that maybe you're trying to organize. Right after the budgets tab, I can swipe and see the monthly budget template. I could fill in my amounts and then duplicate this page, and it's ready to be filled in each month. And here's our beautiful citrus cover. Now I'm showing you the Natural Deluxe Digital Planner. So after the last bonus section, you will find a white plus tab that has extra blank pages for creating your own templates or pages. On the landing page, there are lines for writing in the template name, and the space is already linked. So once you create the template, you can label it and then jump to it anytime that you need it. And this very last tab on the right-hand side is the question mark tab. And it will take you to a linked index, which lists the order of pages that come with your original planner. I can see how the months start with December 2022, and then I go into the months, and then we have our category sections with templates. And they are linked. So when you're getting to know this planner, you might tap around using the index just to see where everything is located in your planner. This help section, if I swipe through the pages, will help you learn what each tab is linked to. And there are answers to frequently asked questions, so you can learn how to quickly navigate from place to place in the planner. And now I'm showing the 8th and final version of the Deluxe Planner, our Bright Planner. You'll notice that on these help pages, there are also external links for going to our YouTube channel, for emailing us questions, to our stores and our blog. The last 2 pages of the planner are going to be instructions for adding pages in the GoodNotes app, and for adding pages that maybe you duplicate or create and adding them to an outline so that you have a new index. And then there's also a page for adding pages in the free Zoto app if you're a Samsung user. So I'll end here with the Bright Deluxe cover. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch this entire video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to comment down below. We'd love to help with digital planning. Check out the links to our store at blessingbydesign.com and see the great features of these deluxe digital planners for 2023. Have a great day and be blessed.